A lot of small YouTubers have been uploading their videos wrong, and they end up getting small views on their videos. And it's not only for the small YouTubers. Some big YouTubers also make the same mistake, and they end up getting small views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the right way you need to upload your video so that you'll be able to get the right views and never make any mistake. So if you are curious to know if you have been uploading your videos wrongly, or you want to know if you have been uploading your videos right, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I've done a research and everything is here. I've done a research and everything is here, and I'll be sharing it with you guys, because me myself, I was also struggling with the same issue, and I was also making the same mistakes. That led me to do that research, and it really helped me a lot, and that's why I'm also sharing it here. So make sure you're watching the video from beginning to the end to know the mistakes that you have been making and the corrections that you need to make, so that you will not end up making that same mistakes again and again. So first of all, before you upload your video, you need to open your YouTube Studio app and click on it, on the plus icon to upload, or you can just open the YouTube app itself. So in this video, we are going to be using the YouTube app itself. Everything is the same. So we are going to be using the YouTube app, and when you click on and you open the YouTube app, the first thing that you need to do is that you click on the plus icon. So you need to click on the plus icon, and when you click on the plus icon, then it's going to open your files for you to select the video that you want to upload. And when you now select the video that you want to upload, and it's going to pick that video and send you back to your YouTube app. And when it sends you back to your YouTube app, this is where you now see where you can put your title, your video description, and you select, you click on where they are having video title and description. You have already named that, the title. And where we are having visibility, that's where I want you guys to pay close attention, because many people make that mistake and they end up getting less views on their videos, or they end up uploading the video the way they were not supposed to upload it. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And after you now click on visibility, some people, if they used to upload it with public, it's going to be selected by default as public. If they always upload their videos mostly on private, it's going to be selected as private. And we also have a place where they are also having unlisted. So you're going to be having a place also like unlisted. And down there you also see schedule, and I'm going to be explaining all that and what it means and which one you should pick at any given time. So first of all, we are going to be talking about public. So if you upload your video and you select public, you are telling YouTube that immediately you upload the video, you want that video to be shown to people instantly. That's what you mean by public. If you select unlisted, you are telling YouTube that this particular video, I'm not if you select unlisted, you are telling YouTube that anyone with the link is the only people that you want them to access that particular video. That's what you mean by unlisted. And private is also that anyone that you choose can just see that particular video. If you choose private, that means if you choose private, you can select a specific group of people that can access that particular video. And we also have schedule. Schedule is where you give your video a specific time that you say, okay, I want my video to be live on YouTube this time. That's what we mean by schedule. And I'm now going to explain the impact of each of these. So for instance, every YouTuber should not upload their videos with the public, because don't select public as your default video uploading method, because if you select public for instance and you make mistake, that means that particular mistake is going to be live immediately you upload that particular video. So always make sure that when you are uploading your video, just put it on either private or unlisted. That's the take that I want you guys to take from there. And when you select either private or unlisted and you upload your video and finish, go to your YouTube studio. After you go to your YouTube studio, you click on the video again, reassess the video to make sure that everything is in order. So make sure that you have done your title the right way that you wanted to do it, your description you have done it well, your tags you have done it well, everything before you now select public and publish that video at that moment again. So never select that of public immediately you will just start to upload your video on YouTube. So always make sure you put it on either private or unlisted. So don't also put it on channel. So because if you put it on channel, you can make mistake and put it and just select maybe 1 minute before, maybe after you just upload a particular video, 1 minute time it will be live, and it's also a mistake that you can make, and it's going to cost you a lot, and a lot of people are going to see in the domain, and if the video doesn't relate to them, they are never going to watch it, and that is why many people end up getting less views on their videos, and some people they end up uploading videos with more mistakes. That's why you should take this in mind. And more to the point, location is also another very key important thing. Like when you are like uploading your videos, YouTube will be having a place where you can put the location where you want, like you have uploaded the video, or the location where like you want the audience to see it, which you shouldn't do that. If you want broader audience, if you want your video to be seen by everybody worldwide, don't select location. Don't just select anything under location. Leave it as it is like that. Don't select any part of the world, just leave it that way. And we also have audience, which is very important. Audience is also very important. We have kid and that of adult. We have video made for kid. If your content is made for only for kid, so you select it that your video is made for kid. If it is also made for adult, like you are making that particular video and it is adult that you want them to be watching, and you want the video to be shown by adult, those who are 18 years and above, then you also select video not made for kid, and your video will be shown to those who are adult. And many people, small YouTubers or small content creators, they don't know about it, and they just some end up getting like selecting video made for kid where the video was made for adult, or they end up selecting video that was made for kid and they end up selecting video made for adult, and they end up not getting views on their videos, because if the video is not related to this particular group of people, they are never going to watch it, and that is why you see many people getting less views on their videos. So the next part that I will talk about is age restriction, and age restriction is also under the under that of audience, and under audience where they have an advanced app where they have age restriction. Never restrict your, like if your video is for adult, just say don't just select where they haven't, don't restrict my or like video to people above 18 years. And if it is for kids, also say restrict my video to people with 18 years and above, which is also fine. So know the kind of audience that you are dealing with before you select that particular thing. If you are dealing with kids, select video made for kids. If you are dealing with adult, select video not made for kid. And that way it's going to help YouTube to identify your audience for you. And the next thing that I will add is altered content. Altered content, YouTube just added it not long ago. They added it in 2024, almost later part of 2024, when AI was taking over the world. So that was when they added that particular thing. And they are saying that if you use AI tools to make your videos, then you select yes, that your video was made with AI tools, and it make like things like somebody say something that was not real in the video. So you select that if your video is also made by real human being, there is not AI like content attached to that, just say no, just select the no part, which is also fine. So these are some of the things that you need to put in mind if you are just starting out or as a content creator or as a YouTuber. And more to the point, if you're also a big YouTuber out there and you have not been getting enough views on your videos, then you need to also put that in mind. Check all these things that I've just listed it. Make sure you check it out, and if you check it out and you see that you have been doing some things wrong, make sure you work on that, and I promise you are going to see some changes in your views and watch time. So guys, I think if this video was helpful and you want to be seeing videos like this, like social media growth videos and YouTube tricks and strategies, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section. Thank you if this video helped you. And more to the point, if you have any question, just comment in the comment section and I'll be there to reply you or help you out if I have knowledge about that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.